Welcome back to Ori Technologies. Today, we are diving into a topic that could determine the safety of your digital life: zero-day vulnerabilities. Ever heard of them? If not, you might want to stick around because they can be the hidden danger lurking behind your screen. Did you know that? According to recent studies, there were over 1,500 zero-day vulnerabilities reported in 2022 alone. That's a horrifying number. But what exactly are these vulnerabilities and why should we care? Let's break it down in simple terms. What are zero-day attacks? So, what are zero-day attacks? Imagine you're cooking a meal. You have got your ingredients and recipe all set up. But suddenly, someone slips a new unknown spice into your dish. One that could spoil the whole thing. That's how zero-day attacks work. A zero-day attack occurs when a hacker exploits a vulnerability that is unknown to the software vendor or the public. This means they attack before anyone knows about the weakness, leaving your defenses vulnerable. Even if you have antivirus software or firewalls in place, they might miss this hidden threat. Layers of defense. Now, you might be wondering, what can we do to protect ourselves? Well, it all comes down to having multiple layers of defense. Think of it like building a fortress. You should not only rely on one layer of security like a firewall. You need intrusion prevention systems, updated software, and most importantly, regular security training for users. Once an attacker gets into the network, whether through phishing or a compromised device, they can move around and cause more damage. Did you know that around 90% of data breaches begin with human error? That's why training is crucial. Understanding vulnerabilities. So, how do we identify these vulnerabilities? There are resources like Telos Intelligence from Cisco, which provide information on newly discovered vulnerabilities. When a vulnerability is identified, it's given a CVE number or common vulnerabilities and exposure number, making it easier to track. If, say, a vulnerability is found in a version of Linux running on millions of devices, the attackers will likely exploit it before anyone can patch it. This is where patch management comes into play. When a fix is available, applying it quickly can prevent an attack. The key takeaway: the sooner you act, the better. The importance of security awareness. Now, let's talk about why vulnerabilities are so common. One major reason is that many systems are left unpatched. Devices, especially in the Internet of Things, might be running outdated software that users have forgotten about. Also, default configurations are often weak, which makes them easy targets. Manufacturers prioritize functionality over security, which is a big mistake. Training your users to recognize and avoid potential threats can make all the difference. So what have we learned today? Zero-day vulnerabilities are hidden dangers that can be exploited before they are even discovered. Protecting yourself means implementing multiple layers of security and keeping your system updated. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Got questions about zero-day vulnerabilities? Drop them in the comment below and we might feature your questions in our next video. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.